Something happened to her truck.
Right in front, right? Something happened in front of them.
Caution.
Oh, debris.
Good eye. Good eye. Holy cow.
Front, all he sees is smoke. Everyone behind him just is trying to look through their back window and on through their windshield to see anything.
Well, that could have been a bit of
To make something broke in the back of the truck. It looks like maybe. Would you think maybe a track bar mount or something?
Something like that. Yeah,
in the rear end.
Yeah, looked like it. He got down on the painted double yellow line, but I don't think that should have been enough to turn that thing around.
It wobbled him over that way.
Yeah.
And then watch this pack of trucks coming